I recently went to Sarojini and shopped for a lot of stuff, so let's do a quick haul. This Emily Paris inspired dress was just rupees 100 and I was sold. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and welcome to another video. So I recently went to Delhi. In case you haven't been updated with my shorts, मैंने बहुत shorts डाले around Delhi. So I went there for a work trip and I did get some time, so I thought I have to go to Sarojini Nagar market, and I think this was my second time going to Sarojini. मैं एक बार बहुत पहले गई थी जो मुझे याद भी नहीं है. It was in like बचपन kind of thing. So I got a lot of stuff of course, but the only problem was वहाँ पे winter wear ज़्यादा था, and because I live in Mumbai तो मेरे आधे से ज़्यादा चीज़ें काम की नहीं थी, but I did manage to find some really good items. So I'm very excited to show you guys what all I have got. We have some long skirts, some very pretty dresses. I even ended up buying some sweater vests जो कि मेरे किसी काम की नहीं होती, but I had to get them because they were so cute. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. Also let me tell you, मैं जो भी products आपको दिखाऊंगी मैं सबके shop number जरूर से mention कर दूंगी. I made sure I just note down the shop numbers of all the items that I was buying from, and except I think one or two. So yeah, let's get into it. Firstly, I got some sweater vest जो मेरे किसी भी काम की नहीं है यहाँ पे, but I just thought if I travel somewhere और जब बॉम्बे में अगर कभी ठंडी पड़ गई रात के टाइम थोड़ा बहुत, तो sweater vest is something that I can still layer, I can still manage to wear in Mumbai. So सबसे पहले तो मैंने ये sweater vest ली, which was like very very cute. I think I got it for rupees 150, and इसमें छोटे छोटे से flowers बने हुए हैं. It's like pink and purple and it was so cute. इसको मैं रेगुलरली एज अ टॉप भी पहन सकती हूँ जब थोड़ा सा स्लाइट डिप इन टेम्परेचर हो, बिकॉज दिस इज वुलन बट नॉट लाइक वेरी वेरी वार्म. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स ऑन मी. आई लव इट. इट लुक्स स्टनिंग. इट फिट्स मी सो वेल, एंड ऐसा कुछ साइज का सीन नहीं होता है सरोजनी में. सो आप लिटरली यू जस्ट हैव टू लुक एंड फील कि हाँ ये मुझे अट जाएगा, एंड आई जस्ट थॉट दिस विल फिट मी, सो आई एंडेड अप बाइंग दिस. इसका शॉप नंबर मैं यहाँ पे मेंशन कर दूंगी, तो फिर इन केस इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन बाइंग समथिंग सिमिलर तो आप जाके देख सकते हो. बट द ओनली थिंग अबाउट सरोजनी इज कि अगर आप एक बार आपने जो लिया है आप वापस जाओगे वो सेम चीज लेने तो वो आपको नहीं मिलेगी, बिकॉज द सेम स्टॉक डज नॉट लास्ट इवन द नेक्स्ट डे. तो यू हैव टू जस्ट मेक श्योर कि यू नो आप shop number ले लो for references. So yeah, that's the first item I got. It is so comfy, so cute, and I love this item. Very cute sweater vest. अगर मैं यही चीज ऑनलाइन ज़ारा टाइप किसी जगह से ले रही थी मुझे ये आराम से 3-4 thousand में मिल रही होती. So yeah. Next up, I again have a sweater vest, but this one is like even cuter because it has this tiny heart over here. So ये मुझे लग रहा था कि मुझे lose होगी, but in fact ये एकदम ही perfect size की है. The fitting is like top notch of this one, and the stripes at the bottom and पीछे के side it's just plain, but the overall detailing like the red neck, V-neck hair, the heart and everything just makes it like very very cute. So Christmas around the corner, if you have to just wear something nice somewhere and you don't want to dress up a lot, so maybe with a turtleneck, if you just pair this up, it will look like really good. So that's the next item I got. This is how it looks on me. Shop number यहाँ पे mention कर दूंगी, and I just love it. I think I got both of them from the same shop only, and ये भी 150 की ही थी. So yeah, that's the next item I got. Okay, I just have one more woolen item. So I got this sweater, which was giving me very Emily in Paris vibes. This is so cute, and I got it for like piece 250 if I'm not wrong. And ये जो डिटेलिंग है पूरे इस पे ग्रे कलर में पीछे एंड इवन स्लीव्स पे सेम डिटेलिंग है. द बटन्स आर ऑल्सो लाइक वेरी antique feeling. It's giving me very, I would say, if I'm enjoying some London winters, so I'm gonna wear this, or Paris winters. So this is very European feels and very pretty, very cute, very warm. In fact, when I was trying this on, this is how it looks on me by the way, and when I was just trying this on मुझे इतना गर्म लग रहा था because Mumbai has no concept of winters, but if you are living in a wintry place, trust me, there is nothing better than Sarojini, because like trench coats were for like 200 rupees, sweaters for 250, and it was so good. Like the quality is top notch. You just have to make sure that before you actually wear these items you wash them, because it isn't always the best condition they are in. So yeah, that's the next item I got. इसका shop number मैं यहाँ पे लिख दूंगी, so आप check कर सकते हो. And yeah, that's the next item. Okay, next item has to be my favorite purchase from Sarojini. इसका मेरे पास shop number नहीं है because I was just randomly walking and I saw this very small side में छोटा सा stall जिसका कोई shop number भी नहीं था, and he just had some very limited dresses, and I saw this. and I knew the moment I saw this I have to buy this. Like ये कैमरे पे इतनी अच्छी नहीं लग रही है, but in person it looks like 100 times better. It looks stunning and I got it for rupees 100 rupees only. मुझे खुद नहीं बिलीव हो रहा था जब उसने बोला ये 100 rupees की है. So this is how it looks, very Emily in Paris coded again, and I am really looking forward कि मैं कभी काश एक यूरोपियन वेकेशन पे जाऊँ तो I'll take all of these along and I'll wear this. But this is just so aesthetic, so girly, pink in color and like really really pretty. So yeah, that's the next item I got for rupees 100. Sadly इसका शॉप नंबर नहीं है, but this is definitely a kind of item जो मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप सरोजनी जा रहे हो और आपको मिल रहा है तो you should not leave it. Get in fact more of them if you find them. And yeah, in fact मुझे लगता है मैं थोड़े से गलत टाइम पे गई हूँ, because मैं अक्टूबर में गई हूँ जब पूरा विंटर स्टफ आ चुका था. समर्स का कलेक्शन थोड़ा सा कम हो चुका था because Delhi winters everything just combines together उस टाइम पे. So अगर आप समर में जाते हैं मुझे लगता है ऐसे बहुत आइटम्स मिल जाते हैं like 100 200. So this was definitely a steal deal. Next I got some tank tops. In fact I'm wearing one of them. This was for rupees 80. I'm gonna link the shop number over here, mention it over here. And this one just looks so nice. This is how it looks in person. अगर आप पूरा इसका 360 degree देखोगे, it fits so well, fits like a glove truly, and it just looks stunning. कोई भी ये देख के नहीं बोल सकता ये 80 rupees का मैंने सरोजनी नगर मार्केट से लिया है. So definitely a very big yes to this one. And वहाँ पे इनफैक्ट टैंक टॉप्स शॉप्स से जो मैंने जहाँ से लिए हैं, it was for 80 rupees. Like even this one, it's a very basic one, but I love basic tank tops. ये इतने versatile होते हैं, हर चीज़ के साथ आप पहन सकते हो. So I got a white one. This was again for rupees 80. This is how it looks again. I got a yellow one also, but the yellow one I've already worn, so that's in cleaning right now. So you get to just see this one. I also got a tube top जो मुझे लग नहीं रहा था कि मुझे शायद से fit होगा या नहीं होगा, but I just love the print and I was like it's very affordable, so let's just buy it. So I got this tube top for rupees 100, but it turns out it fits me really well. In fact ये मेरे मैंने Amazon का winter wear haul दिखाया था, मैंने उसमें भी यही ट्यूब टॉप पहना था. इट्स सुपर स्ट्रेचेबल, सो इट विल फिट यू वेरी इजली. एंड द ग्राफिटी लेन जहाँ पे ऊपर सरोजनी का मेन लोगो होता है, ये वहां से लिया है. दे डोंट हैव अ शॉप नंबर्स, बट उसी लेन में टुवर्ड्स द एंड देयर इज दिस गाय हु सिट्स एंड जस्ट सेल्स ट्यूब टॉप्स फॉर रुपीज 100 ईच. सो ही हैड अ लॉट ऑफ prints and patterns. I really like this one. It wasn't a color that I usually wear or I usually have, so I knew I have to buy this. And very comfy again. This is how it looks and just stunning. I love how affordable everything in Sarojini is. It's just that you have to bargain a lot. कुछ shops in fact fixed price होती है, and अगर fixed नहीं भी है तो you just have to make sure that you are really good in your bargaining skills. Okay, I love long skirts and I went crazy in Sarojini when I saw long skirts. I wanted to buy so many more, but मेरा luggage already exceed हो रहा था. In fact, did pay extra for the luggage, but I love long skirts. I got 3 of them, so I'll show you all of them. The first one is this purple and white printed one. ऑनेस्टली ये कलर इतना प्यारा है. लाइक कैमरा पे थोड़ा सा डार्क लग रहा है, इन पर्सन इसे थोड़ा सा और लाइट है. सो इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल लाइलैक शेड जिसपे पूरे पे वाइट फ्लावर्स हैं. इट्स ग्रेट फॉर लाइक एवरीडे वेयर आई फील. एंड अंदर लाइनिंग भी है, पूरी अस्तर लगा हुआ है, तो कोई भी ट्रांजी होने का सीन नहीं होता है, विच इज समथिंग दैट आई फाइंड वेरी रेयरली इन लॉन्ग स्कर्ट्स. एंड ऑल द लॉन्ग स्कर्ट्स दैट आई गॉट, हियर इज द शॉप नंबर. प्लीज यहाँ पे जरूर से जाना. all of them for like rupees 200. So 200 में मैंने ये खरीदी and it's so good. The quality is so nice. And yeah, that's the first long skirt I got. This is how it looks on me. Very comfy, very flowy again, and perfect for like Bombay heat, October heat के लिए. It's just amazing. Then I also got this one. इसकी quality इतनी अच्छी नहीं निकली घर आके, because this one is something I wore in Delhi itself and this is a yellow one. इसके ना थोड़े threads वगैरह ज़्यादा निकल रहे थे, but this has a lot of flair. मतलब you can literally do full circles and trills in this and it will just go round and round. This has a lot of flair. Again for 200 rupees. इसके अंदर भी lining है, so कोई stress नहीं लेना है. This is how it looks. I just wish it was a little better in quality, but यार ठीक है, 200 रुपये में मैं इतना ज़्यादा नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर सकती हूँ. You have to make sure कि हाँ ठीक है, अगर आपने लिया है, अगर कुछ चीज़ों की क्वालिटी टॉप नॉच नहीं भी होगी, you need to be okay with that, and I'm okay with it, I think. So yeah, that's the next item that I got. Okay, I got one more long skirt. So this is the long skirt that I got. Now this looks थोड़ा ethnic wear में, which is okay because you know कई बार shoot वगैरह के लिए या फिर just a lot of my friends are getting married and उनकी हल्दी मेहंदी उन सब के लिए outfits चाहिए होते हैं, and I'm done buying new outfits every time. So I think if you have one long skirt, you can just wear it with different kind of blouses or some funky tank tops जिसको आप pair up कर सकते हो for like a haldi or mehndi ceremony. And I saw this one in like green color, थोड़ा सा shine के साथ, flower print के साथ. I just thought that I can rewear it as a lehenga skirt also. So I got this for rupees 200 again. अंदर इसके भी lining है and काफी मोटी है ये. So this is actually quite thick in material and very nice in material. In fact ये और purple वाली दोनों ही material में बहुत अच्छी हैं. Only the yellow one was a little weak, so I think I should have been a little more careful with the material of that one. But yeah, this is how it looks and I love it again. Flare बहुत अच्छा है इसका भी, and the shine actually makes it look very very festive also. With the wedding season coming up, if you're looking for like good long skirts, lehenga skirts, you can get them in Sarojini for like 200 rupees, so make sure to check them out. This is the shop number again for the long skirts. Okay, coming to one last item which is a night suit. So ये थी shop number 1 and यहाँ पे मैं लिख दूंगी shop number. इनके पास इतने क्यूट नाइट सूट थे. अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन गॉट लाइक अ फुल नाइट सूट. आई डिड नॉट बाय अ फुल वन बिकॉज मैं इतनी गर्मी में फुल नहीं पहन सकती बॉम्बे में. सो आई गॉट दिस वन. इसके पैजामा मैंने ऑलरेडी पहन रखा है, सो आई एम गोना शो यू द टॉप. इट्स सो क्यूट, very very comfy. Like जो material है, it's so nice. It's literally वो जो H&M वाले material. I had a very similar material of H&M night suit and that costed me 2000 rupees, but ये है 200 रुपए का. So again, like 10 times cost less है इसकी and very very comfy, very stretchable again, and you can just laze around in this all day long and you'll feel so comfy. This is how this night suit looks like. I've been living in this night suit since the time I got this and I just love it. I really wish I would have gotten like more night suits maybe because they were so comfy. I wasn't knowing कि इतना comfy रहेगा. So I need to plan maybe another trip to Sarojini now. So yeah guys, this was everything that I got from Sarojini Nagar Market in Delhi recently. Do comment down below and tell me which one was your favorite. If I have to pick mine, I think the pink dress actually stands out because 100 rupees, but everything was so cute and nice and affordable. I think मैंने ये सारी चीजें under rupees 1800 and 1900 ले ली थी. So wow. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Do comment down below and tell me what kind of more hauls you want to see. I'll see you super soon again with another video. Until then, bye guys, take care.